Alright, what's going on, everybody? So what we're going to do is we're going to put STM clutches on this. They have already been on, but I was going to show you guys the steps and the procedures that you have to take to do these. I actually just had the motor out, rebuilt the top end, put a new gearbox in it. So now I'm to the point that I need to put the new clutches in, so I figured I'd make a little video on it, on a little how-to to do this. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take some valve lapping compound and put right here. Let's clean the dust off of this. Might be a little excessive, but spread it around. And this is to help match this primary to the crank. So what you're going to do next, set that on there. And they say do it 25 times, so keep some pressure on it. And I like to go back and forth. Let's go the other way. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Go ahead and give her a little more. Like I said, I don't think this really is super important on mine because it's already been on there. And I'm just reinstalling it, so I'm taking the steps back. Well, I think that's gonna be it. So let's clean this all up now. Alright, so next step is to probably run out of brake clean real quick. This can's about empty. Like I said, so you want to get it real clean. You don't want none of this back on there. So let's, none of the valve compound on there. So to get all this cleaned out, this would be a little easier if I did it on my bench, but I'm being lazy right now. I don't want to move the camera. Just shaft right down. See the grooves? That's what you were looking for. Clean that inside out here. Alright, so set that on there. Now let me get the bolts and or the bolt and the torque wrench, and I'll show you how I torque this down without a special tool. Alright, so next take the bolt, put it in there. Thread it down. And this torques to 80 foot-pounds. Instead of having the special tool, what I like to do, or I do, is I take a pry bar and slide it between the valley, like so. And then you take your gigantic torque wrench, because my small one don't go down to 80. But this torques at 80 foot-pounds. Let me tell you, 2-foot torque wrench, great thing to use to run this bolt down. Let me get a smaller ratchet. Speed this process up a little bit here. There we go. Just start to snug it up. I'll jump back onto it with the torque wrench. Alright, and there's 80 foot-pounds. So next, let's clean the clutch up. Alright, so next you want to clean in here. What I like to use is, one second, I use acetone. This is just to clean all the oils and stuff off. So what I do is put me a little bit on a rag, soak myself, and then just wipe all of this down. This is actually what it calls for in the book too, or from STM. Alright, we got that all wiped off. Alright, so next we're going to put the secondary on, and you need to, there is grooves there and grooves right here. You need to make sure they're in the grooves or you're going to start it up and have no clutches. So let's get this set on. And you can kind of look from the top and get it lined up. Put it in here. Alright, and you'll feel it lock into there. So next, you gotta take this so you can open up your clutch, and this comes with the STM. So you're gonna want to thread it in. Make sure you get quite a few threads in there, so that way it don't rip out. Alright, so we got a good bit of threads in there. We need to open this clutch up so that way we can put our belt on. And you just go until it stops. Alright, so next we need, well, we got the secondary opened up, let's go ahead and clean it up. So we'll use the same method as before, acetone, and you also want to put clean your belt up with acetone, because I am using a second belt, or not a second belt, I'm reusing a belt. See if we can get this on there. These belts sometimes can be a pretty good booger to get on. Aha! Looky there. Right on. That's what we like. Alright, so you take the nut out, or bolt out. threads are so freaking long. Now it is tightening itself back up. And also, if you look down in through here, you can still see that your gears are on there. So, belt deflection feels pretty good. Alright, let's get the torquing this down. Alright, there we go. Torque is 30 foot-pounds. Alright, and that's how you install primary and secondary STM clutch. So, sorry it took a little longer, and you know, I don't know. I hadn't done it in a while, so yeah, but we got that hooked up or put on. So now you just got to put your cover back on and you're good to go. But I got lots more to do. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you next time.